Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter 3, part 1 of business studies, and chapter 3 is business environment. Now first let's understand what is business environment. There are certain factors in business which are uncontrollable or which is beyond the control of the owners, managers, or the people who are working inside the organization. So these factors which are uncontrollable, they affect the functioning of business. Now, which are those factors? Those factors could be either internal factors, like within the company, maybe employees or managers, the workers who are working, the owner himself. These are the internal factors which affect the functioning of the business. Same way, there are certain external factors which also affects the business. Now, those external factors could be economic factors, social, political, technological, and many other competitors, suppliers. All these are external factors. Now, all these together forms business environment. So, when we talk about business environment, it means all the individuals, institutions, or any other forces that are outside the control of business enterprise, but then they do affect the performance of the business. Now let's understand what are the features of business environment. When we talk about business environment, as I said, that it's a totality of external forces, of course. Those external forces could be social, economical, political, legal, technological. So all these are the forces which are affecting the business environment. Secondly, specific and general forces. Just now I told you that there are certain forces internal and external. Now, when we talk about, let's say, general forces, what are general forces? Now, let's say, for example, competitors, investors, suppliers, customers, all these are specific. And general forces could be your social, political, legal, or technological. So all these forces, be it general or specific, they do affect the business environment. Be that business be anything, whether it's a small business unit or a large scale, whether it's a private sector or a public sector, any kind of business, any kind of institution, they are affected by this general and specific forces. Now, when we say let's say when we say specific forces, that is investors, customer, competitor, let's say change in taste of customer, or let's say change in taste and preference of the customer. Earlier, they used to like your product, but now their taste and preference has changed. So they may not consume your product. So now here, which force has affected your business? That is the specific. And that specific force is customer. Same way it goes with the competitor. If competitor has innovated a new product into the market, they have launched a new product with all the new features. Of course, their launch or their introduction of new products will affect your business environment. So these are the specific and general forces. We'll talk about the general forces in detail in the next session. The next is interrelatedness. This is another feature of business environment. We can say that different elements or parts of business of the environment are closely interrelated with each other. Let's say, for example, the life expectancy of people have increased nowadays, which was not so in the earlier days. So why this life expectancy has increased? Because now people are more aware about their health. They have become more health conscious. They know what is good and what is not good. So this awareness, that is this awareness in the society, that is the social factor, has affected the business, and it has helped the business to increase their product demand in case of health products, or let's say healthy products like fat-free cooking oil, or there are nowadays many health resorts or many health products. So this way, all the business environment factors are interrelated. Another one is business environment is dynamic in nature. Now, when we say dynamic means which keeps on changing. We cannot say that business which is running this way, the same way we can run the business in the next 50 years also. It is not possible because business environment keeps on changing in terms of technological changes, in terms of shift in consumer preference, because consumers taste and preference keeps on changing. So all these are the reasons which have kept the business environment dynamic, that our business environment keeps on changing. So we have to adopt according to the changes in the environment. So we can say that business environment is never stagnant. It keeps on changing according to the technology or preference of the consumer. Nextly, we can say that business environment is uncertain. Now, why it is uncertain? Because it is very difficult to predict the future happening. I cannot say that demand for my product is definitely going to increase, 100% is going to increase after 6 months. I can have the assumptions, I can have the probability, but I cannot be certain. So there is an uncertainty because frequent changes take place in business. When I again say frequent changes, it means technology keeps on changing. So your production also keeps on changing. Next one is, the next feature is business environment is complex. Now, see, this is very complex because the business environment is dynamic. So we cannot comprehend at once that what exactly is going to happen in business. So it is very difficult, it is very complex to come to any one conclusion about the product or about the demand for product, because there are n number of factors which are going to affect your business, be it economic factor, political factor, or technological factor. Next, we can say that business environment is, there is a relativity. Now, business environment is a relative concept because it differs from country to country and from region to region. Like, let's say, for example, political condition in USA will differ with India or with any other country, because the situation of every country or the business environment of every country is different. So these are the features of business environment. Now let's talk as to why business environment is important. Firstly, it enables the firm to identify the opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. See, this is very important factor in business environment. Business environment is important because when you are aware, if I am the manager, if I am aware as to what is happening in the market. When I say market, I'm talking about the external market. That how are my competitors? How are my customers? How am I going to deal with the competition in future? What are the opportunities which are available in the market? Now, let's say, for example, if the manager is aware with all these opportunities or all the threats, then he would be in a better position to take the decision. So opportunity, let's say, for example, if there is a very good opportunity, then it is very important that manager has to grab that opportunity first, and your company should be the first one to grab that opportunity and launch that thing into the market, because that would improve the performance of the company. So early identification of opportunity helps an enterprise to be the first to exploit them instead of losing them to competitors. So let's say, for example, of Maruti Udyog. In earlier days, there were no small cars, or you can say family cars, because the famous car was Ambassador, which was very huge. So Maruti Udyog was the first who came out as a leader in the small car market, and they grabbed this opportunity. They realized the market, they identified that what are the opportunities available in the market. And when they came to know, or when they analyzed it, and when they evaluated the market, they realized that there are no small cars in the market. So why not start? Why not we be the first one to launch the small car into the market? So Maruti Udyog is the best example, as they were the leaders in the small car market. And that is how they had identified the opportunity, and they got the first mover advantage. First mover advantage means when you are the first to launch something, obviously your name, fame would be recognized. The another importance of business environment is that it helps the firm to identify the threat and early warning signals. Let's say, for example, if you are the manager in your company and you are the deciding authority, obviously you have to be aware of all the environmental changes which are taking place in the market. You should be aware as to what is happening in your business area or in market which is related to your business. So environment awareness can help the managers to identify the threat. Like, let's say, for example, you as a manager came to know that in your product line, soon there are going to be foreign competition, which means foreign companies are going to enter the Indian market who are going to launch the product just like the one you are manufacturing. Now, you have got to know about the threat in advance. So, this has happened because you were aware about the business environment information. So, it gives you early warning. Now that you are aware of the threat, it will be easy for you to take the decision to fight the competition with the foreign company. So this is how it helps the managers to identify the threat. They get the signal and they can take the steps or action accordingly to survive their business into the market. The third importance of business environment is that it helps in tapping useful resources. See, business environment, of course, cannot survive without any of the resources, be it any resources like finance, machines, raw material, power, labor, electricity, anything, including all the external environment also. So it is very important that manager has to decide that which resource is bestly available into the market. Like, let's say, for example, if my garment company is located in Kolkata, I know very well that it would be very easy for me to get the jute as a raw material. So I'll start my business or I'll go into the product line which is very much related to jute because it is very easy for me to locate the raw material. Similarly, any other resources. So when you are aware about the business environment, it helps you to find the best resources. Like, let's say if I want to buy a raw material, let's say cotton, I know that Maharashtra and Gujarat are best. So and this is only possible when I'm aware about the business environment, when I'm aware about all the business information which is related to my product. So it helps you in tapping the useful resources. See, tapping of the right resource will help the business to reduce the cost of production because you know where to get the best supplier for your raw material and at the best quality at a minimum price. Now, this will help you to reduce your cost of production and improve the quality of your product. Another importance of business environment is that it helps in coping up with the rapid changes. Now, again, of course, we are talking about the technology. We are talking about the change in taste and preference of the consumer. As I said, that business environment is very much dynamic in nature. It keeps on changing. It is not stagnant. Now, as a manager of your company, you should be very much well acquainted with the changes which are going to take place in the future. Now, if I'm not mentally prepared to adapt to those changes or get adjusted to those changes, obviously my company will not survive into the market. So continuously, I have to be in touch with the business environment as to what are the changes taking place, whether my customer is liking my product or not. Is there any change in their taste and preference or not? And obviously, every consumer, their taste and preference keeps on changing. Let's take, for example, about the consumer itself. Let's say jeans. The kind of fashion which we have earlier, that was not the fashion in jeans. They used to have the broad bottom. Now we have narrow jeans. So there are so many things which keeps on changing. Now, business environment, if they go with the same old fashion, obviously customers are not going to accept it. So you have to cope up with the rapid changes, and this is only possible if you're aware about the business environment information. So first thing, it helps to cope up with the changes in terms of change in taste and preference of the consumer, or even in terms of technology. because technology keeps on changing. If I'm going to use the same old technology for the production, obviously my output is going to be very less as compared to my competitor if my competitors are going to use advanced technology. So we should remember these things, that market conditions are never the same. And there is less brand loyalty because consumer is never going to stay with your product if you're not going to bring changes into your product. So managers must understand, evaluate, and examine the environment and take the suitable course of action which is beneficial for the company. So another reason why business environment is important, or why it is important to know the business environment, is because it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. Now, of course, as a manager of your company, you should be into too much of planning. If 100 people are working under you, every day you have to plan. You have to make weekly plans, you have to make monthly plans, you have to make daily plans for the routine work. Now, all these planning and policy formulation, of course, requires the knowledge of the business environment. Because let's say, for example, 100 people are working under you. You know that what is the customer's requirement, and accordingly, you will take the decision and pass on the same to your subordinate. So planning helps you to know how to deal with the new competition into the market. As I just told you, if there is any new entry into the market, or let's say if any foreign company is going to enter into the market, it will help you to plan accordingly and take the decision accordingly. The next one is, business environment helps in improving the performance. Of course, the future of the enterprise is very much dependent on the business environment, because all these internal and external factors are going to affect the functions of the business. So manager has to be very active, very informative, very knowledgeable in terms of collecting the information related to his business environment. So better understanding of business environment will help the managers and the firm in decision making and in smooth functioning of the business. Because if you are not able to take the right decision, then of course the running of the business would be hampered. And there has to be, of course, proper allocation of resources. As I have earlier also have repeated that 3 R's: right person at the right place at the right time. So all these resources have to be placed in a proper way. Thank you very much. I hope you must be now clear with all the importance and features of business environment. Thank you.